Good morning, today's December 7th, and today's refinishing project is located in San Francisco, California. Alright, so today we're going to be refinishing this old cast iron bathtub here in San Francisco, California. So this bathtub has never been refinished before. It's the original surface, but it's really worn. The porcelain is really worn down on the inside, and it's there's a lot of lime scale, hard water type of stains all over the inside of this tub here. Alright, so basically the first thing we have to do is thoroughly clean and sand it down to try to get as much as this hard water stain, lime scale off, and then fully prep it out, and then we're going to be refinishing this bathtub in a bright white, similar to this top here that they have. Alright, so this tub's going to take probably around 5 hours to fully complete, and we'll follow up once we're done. Thanks for watching. Alright, so we just finished up the bathtub here in San Francisco, California. Let's take a look at it. Alright, so before it had all of the lime scale, that hard water green type stain all over the inside. Took a lot of effort to get that off, but managed to get it all off during the prepping process, and primed and refinished this tub in a bright white. The shine on that, really nice shine. Alright, so if you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900. Thanks for watching.